Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to start exercise 11.4. For the previous one, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here the first problem, factorize the following polynomials, x square plus 3x plus 2. So as here first you have to find out the coefficient of x square, and that one is here 1, and here the constant term, that one is 2. So 1 into 2, that one equal to here 2. Now factorize 2, so it becomes 2 and 1. Okay, so here the middle term of the polynomial, that is here 3x. Now first you have to split this coefficient of x with the help of these factors, that means here 2 and 3. So as here 3, so you can write down 3 as 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. Okay, so here you can write down x square, in the place of 3 write down 2 plus 1 into x plus 2. Now multiply x, so here it 2x plus 2. So here from the first two part, if x common, it becomes x plus 2. From the next two part, if 1 common, it becomes x plus 2. So that one equal to here x plus 2 into x plus 1, okay, as your answer. It's called middle term factorization method. Okay, I repeat, it's called middle term factorization method. And here you have to remember that one, as here you have two factors 2 and 1. So here you can add or subtract. Remember that, I repeat, you can add or subtract only one time. If you add in the problem, then you cannot subtract it. If you subtract in the problem, then you cannot add it. So add or subtract only one time in a problem. You can multiply it several times. Okay, in a problem you can multiply the factor several times, maybe one time, two time, three time, as your choice, but addition or subtraction only one and only at a time. So here the next one, number 2. So as here in the number 2, here z square plus 10z plus 24. So as here the coefficient of z square is 1, so 1 into 24, it becomes 24. Now you have to factorize 24, so it becomes here 12, and then again here it's 6, and then again it's 3. So now you have 2, 2, 2 and 3. So now in the middle term, here the middle term is 10, so you have to make 10 with the help of these factors. Okay, you have to make 10 with the help of these factors. So as here 2 into 2, it becomes here 4, and here 2 into 3, that one equal to 6. Now if you add 6 plus 4, it becomes here 10. Okay, that means here addition only one times, multiplication two times, as your choice. So here you can write down z square in the place of 10. First write the greatest number. Here 6 is the greatest. So 6 plus 4 into z, then plus 24. So here z square, then 6z, then here 4z, then plus 24. Now z common, it becomes here z plus 6. Here 4 common, z plus 6. So that one equal to here z plus 6 into z plus 4 as your answer. Next, here sum number 2 1. In sum number 2 1, y square minus 7y plus 12. So here you have to factorize 12. So here 3 4s are 12, then here 2 2s are 4. So that means here the factor 2 2 and 3. So if you multiply 2 into 2, it becomes 4, and the next one is 3. So 4 plus 3, it becomes 7. So you can write down here y square, then here 4 plus 3 into y, and then 12. So y square minus 4y minus 3y plus 12. So here if you common y minus 4, then if you common 3, it's y minus 4. Okay, so here your answer y minus 4 and then y minus 3. Now next sum number 2 2. In sum number 2 2, m square minus 23m plus 42. So as here 42, so here first write down here 2 and then 1, then here 3 7. So 23. Okay, here 23. So here you can write down 7 into 3, it's 21. So 21 plus 2, it becomes 23. So m square minus 21m minus 2m, you can write down directly. So here if m common, it becomes m minus 21. If minus 2 common, it's also become m minus 21. Okay, so here m minus 21 as the first factor and then m minus 2. It's very easy. Now next one, sum number 3 1. So here y square minus 5y minus 24. So that means here factorize 24. So again it's 12. Then again here 6. Now 2 3. So now you have to make 5. So as here 3 into 2 6. Okay, so do one thing here, 2 into 2 it's 4 and then again 2 into 2, so 4 into 2 it's 8. 8 minus 3. Okay, so y square minus 8y, here plus 3 minus 24. So that means here if y common, so y minus 8. Here if 3 common, it becomes y minus 8. So that one equal to here y minus 8 and then y plus 3 as your answer. Next, number 3 2. Here t square plus 23t minus 108. So as here t square, so one coefficient, so 1 into 108, it becomes 108. Then divided by 2, it's 54. Then again divided by 2, it's 27. Here 3 9, then again 3 3. So now here you have to make 23. So as here 3 into 3, it's 9. 9 into 3, it's 27. And here 2 2s are 4. So 27 minus 4, it becomes 23. So you can write down t square plus 27t minus 4t minus 108. If you common t here, so it becomes t plus 27. If you common minus 4 here, it becomes t plus 27. So here the first factor t plus 27 and the second one t minus 4 as your answer. Now next, sum number 4 1. In sum number 4 1, 3x square plus 14x plus 8. So as here the coefficient of x square is 3 and here the constant number is 8. So do one thing, first multiply 3 into 8, that one equal to 24. Now you have to factorize this 24 and you have to make 14. So here 2, then 12. So here 12 plus 2, it becomes here 14. So you can write down 3x square plus 12x plus 2x plus 18. That means here I split 14 into 2 plus 12. Okay, now here 3x common, it becomes x plus 4. Here 2 common only, it becomes x plus 4. So that means here your answer x plus 4 into 3x plus 2. Okay, it's very easy. Now next, number 2. Number 2, 3y square plus 10y plus 8. So as here 10y, you have to find out 10y. So 3 into 8, again it becomes 24 and then divided by 2, it's become 12. Then again divided by 2, it's 6. Okay, again divided by 2, it's 3. Now here 3 into 2, it becomes 6 and 2 into 2, it becomes 4. So 6 plus 4, it becomes here 10. Okay, 6 plus 4, it becomes 10. Now you can ask me, sir, here 3 into 2 and then again 2 into 2, it becomes 12 minus 2, that also become 10. Okay, yes, 12 minus 2, that one equal to also 10, and 6 plus 4, that one equal to also 10. But here if you put down in the place of 10 as 3 square plus 12y minus 2y plus 8, and then if you common 3y here, so it becomes y plus 4. But here if you common 2, it becomes y minus 4. Okay, as the first one is y plus 4, second one is y minus 4. So here you cannot common y plus 4 or either y minus 4. These two factor will be always same in each and every problem. Okay, I repeat, these two factor in the bracket which always same in the any problem, each and every problem. Okay, so that's why here I'm going to take 6 plus 4, that one equal to 10. Okay, 6 plus 4, that one equal to 10, not the 12 minus 2. So here you can write down this one as 3y square plus 6y plus 4y plus 8. So as here 3y common, it becomes y plus 2, as here 4 common, it becomes y plus 2. That means here the first one you have y plus 2, second one you have also y plus 2. So now here you can common y plus 2 and write down as a factor, and next one will be 3y plus 4. That is your final answer. Now next sum number 5. Here sum number 5, 14x square minus 23x plus 8. So as here 14 and here the x square, the coefficient of x square is 14 here, and the next one here 8. So you can do one thing, you can multiply 14 with 8 and then factorize it, or you can also factorize these two numbers separately. So as here 14, so 2 sevens are 14, as here 8, so 2 fours are, then again 2 twos are. That means here you have 2 7 2 2 2 as the factor, and you have to make 23. Okay, you have to make here 23. So as here 7 into 2, 7 into 2, it's become 14. No. So do one thing, as here 2 into 2, it's 4, then again 2 into 2, it's 8, and then again 8 into 2, it becomes 16. Now 16 plus 7, that one equal to here 23. So here you can write down 14x square minus 16x, then again minus 7x plus 8. So as here 2x common, so 7x minus 8, as here only 1 common, minus 1, so again 7x then minus 8. So here the first factor 7x minus 8, and second one 2x minus 1 as your answer. Now next sum number 5 2. Here 12x square minus x minus 35. So either you can multiply 12 into 35 and then factorize the product, or you can factorize this one 12 and 35 separately. So here 2 6, then again 2 3. Here 5 5 sevens are 35. So now you have 2 2 3 and 5 and 7. You have to make only 1, because here the coefficient of x is 1. Okay, now next, so as here first 7 into 3, that one equal to 21, and here 5 and then 2, it's 10, then 10 into it's 20. So 5 into 2 into 2, it's become here 20. Now 21 minus 20, it becomes 1. So you can write down 12x square minus 21x, then here plus 20x, okay, minus 35. So here you can common 3x, so it becomes here 4x minus 7. Then here if you common 5, so it becomes here 4x minus 7. So here the first factor 4x minus 7, and second one here 3x plus 5 as your answer. Now the last one, sum number 6. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here 6x square, then 11x minus 10. So here the factors of 6, 2 and 3. In the factors of 10, it's 2 and 5. Okay, and as here 5 into 3, it's 15. So write down here 15x, then minus 4x. It becomes here 11x. So now here if 3x common, it becomes here 2x plus 5. Here minus 2 common, here 2x plus 5 again. So that means here 2x plus 5 as the first factor, then here 3x minus 2 as the second one. Here 6 to 5 minus 4x minus 12x square. Okay, so that means here the middle term is 4x. Here the coefficient of x square is 12 and the constant term is 5. So here 2 6 are 12, then here 2 3, and then here 5. So you have to make 4 here. So as here 3 into 2, it's 6, and here 5 into 2, it's 10. So you can write down here 10 minus 6, that one equal to 4. So write down here 5, then next one here minus 10x, then plus 6x minus 12x square. So as here 5 common, so 1 minus 2x, as here 6x common, so 1 minus 2x. So here 1 minus 2x first factor, and then 5 plus 6x as the second factor.